Heads up, we got a double train. With the bi-levels and the venters. On the 6. 8312, that's 442104. Now 278. 717 and 715 hook up together. Wow. That is crazy. That's a double train right there. We'll continue on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emerville. Last and final destination, Jack London Square. Emerville will be your bus connection service towards the Bay Area, including the Transbay Terminal downtown San Francisco. Wow. That's insane. Live in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time. See you.